Shaddal Lahiri is a professional engineer with 2 decades worth of experience with eminent institutions. He is also a noted contributor to blogs and articles in various newspapers and magazines. He has written several books and is an exponent of TOC from the Eliyahu Goldratt Foundation, Israel. He lives in Kolkata, India with his wife and son. He is awesome presenter in every occasion with great sense of humor. He has contributed so many books to the society on different subjects. He is spontaneously coming out with books as per the needs of readers. Recently, he has gifted marvelous book called Vadh, Unheralded Characters, Unintentional Assassins. We all have watched, aghast, albeit in the television sets, the death of Abhimanyu. The gory death. A death that was celebrated by his once upon a time relatives and friends. We all have watched the artistic version, attempted to perfection by television and cine artists, to bring about a sense of agony to the audience. Abhimanyu died a gory, gruesome death, fighting with valor against an opposition that was not only strong but also cunning. Abhimanyu died a listless death trying to defend ideals that were not to be. Abhimanyu died attempting something that never was achievable. Abhimanyu died trying to imitate the achievements of his celebrated father, under circumstances that were different, contrasting, unparalleled. Shaddal Lahiri and Sonam Mallik here makes an earnest attempt to bring out the facts that triggered the death of Abhimanyu in recent times. The death that is brought about through the weight of expectation, tyranny, oppression, and other circumstantial juxtapositions to achieve the unachievable. Vadh is a saga of the death of countless Abhimanyus due to ignorance, valor, ambition, innocence, and fear. We bring forward through episodes of instances along with the fact that after all it was not a Karna or Dushashna or Duryodhan that brought about the death of Abhimanyu, but it was a war committed unknowingly by Arjun himself. Arjun symbolized the countless parents, guardians, bosses, superiors who subject their children and subordinates to unwanted pressure to perform. The children fight against all odds without enough know-how to survive through the rough, and the ones who are not lucky succumb to the circumstances. Shaddal Lahiri and Sonam Mallik salute these fighters who have gone down in history fighting wars that were not theirs. Unheralded, unknown, unsung. Stop by to read these few pages that depict the unfortunate and untimely demise of unrealized dreams. Tales of sacrifice and stories of oppression and struggle, of untimely death. In ignorance and anonymity. The tale of death and life after. Vadh.